Suzuki Cultus 2008 EFI, power steering, full loaded Outclass condition. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a special Suzuki Cultus 2008 EFI up for sale, and it's a complete package for anyone looking for a full loaded, reliable city car. Whether you need it for daily commuting or family use, this car offers comfort, convenience, and a strong performance at a reasonable price. Let's start with the overall model and condition. This is a 2008 Suzuki Cultus EFI, fully loaded with modern features that make driving easy and enjoyable. It's ideal for anyone looking for a well-maintained hatchback that is both practical and stylish. The exterior of the car is in good condition. The body has been well maintained, and it's an Outclass model in terms of looks and usability. The car has undergone proper care, and minor cosmetic work has been done to maintain a clean and presentable finish. Moving on to the interior, which is an important part of any used car. This Suzuki Cultus is full loaded, which means it comes with all the essential features you would expect in a modern hatchback. The seats are neat and comfortable, the dashboard is original and functional, and the cabin is spacious for a city car. Features like power steering, LCD screen, air conditioning, and a smooth gear system make this car comfortable for both city driving and longer journeys. Now, let's talk about the engine and performance. This car comes with an EFI engine, which provides efficient fuel consumption and reliable performance. The engine has been maintained properly and runs smoothly without any issues. You can expect a strong pickup and responsive performance whether you are driving in city traffic or on highways. CNG installed. This car is equipped with CNG, giving you the flexibility to save on fuel costs while still enjoying smooth performance. For those who prefer petrol, it can also run on petrol without any compromise in performance. The suspension and driving comfort are excellent. The car handles bumps and uneven roads well, providing a comfortable and stable ride. The power steering ensures easy handling, especially in city traffic. Brakes are responsive, making driving safe and reliable. New tires have been installed, ensuring better road grip and safety. This is an added advantage for anyone buying a used car because it reduces the immediate maintenance cost. Other notable features include LCD screen for entertainment and media, air conditioning to keep the cabin cool and comfortable, full original dashboard and interior panels, zero matter Changan, well maintained overall. This Suzuki Cultus is truly an Outclass option for anyone looking for a reliable, fully loaded hatchback in Lahore. Its combination of EFI engine, power steering, full features, and good maintenance history makes it stand out in the used car market. Now, coming to the demand and location. The final demand for this Suzuki Cultus 2008 EFI is 10 lakhs. Considering its features, engine condition, and full loaded status, the price is competitive for the Lahore market. Location: Lahore. Interested buyers can inspect the car personally and verify its excellent condition. Serious buyers only are requested to contact for inspection and test drive. This car is ideal for city commuting, first-time car buyers looking for reliable and affordable options, families seeking a compact yet comfortable hatchback, anyone looking for a full-loaded car with modern features like power steering, LCD screen, and air conditioning. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more honest car reviews and detailed vehicle inspections. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.